Welcome to Thursday Thunder, episode 46. I'm your host, Bradley Charbonneau. It's amazing, but I am not in the woods. I'm actually at home, and I've got my good microphone here, and I just was making a video for the play book, and I realized this is very meta, but I enjoy making those videos. I'm going to put a video below here too. If you see this in the email, you'll see a few emails in there. A few videos in there. And if you're not signed up for the email, it's at tt.repossible.com, like Thursday Thunder, TT. And so in the video I show a video of me shooting some baskets last night at the gym, and how that is play, and that's fun, and it's not a game, and there's no winner, there's no loser. It's just the idea of playing. I talk a lot about kids, and I'll put the video here at the end of this little video here as well. And I do a voiceover, and you'll see this voiceover. I'm emulating this guy. There's this guy on YouTube, and he goes by Tom Foolery, and he's just so clever, so witty, so British. Just awesome content. He just really does a great job. So I'm emulating that. I'm striving for that. But what's fun is that my book is due tomorrow, play, and I'm working away on that. And I'm in my book, and I'm in my words, and I'm in my pages, and my chapters, and my sections, and it's going really well. But I have to say, I have more fun with video. I have more fun with audio. I even like editing audio and video. Like video editing software. It's gotten so easy. It's fun to play with. So what are my topic for today is really, what are the play elements in your life, and how can you bring them out, and how can you, in an ideal world, right? Just like Mark Twain, who says, play is a thing that you're not obliged to do, and work is a thing you're obliged to do. So we know we're obliged to do things. We have to earn money and pay rent and mortgage and stuff like that. So once we get that covered, or if we can get that covered with something we can play with, then we're good, right? And then the trick is to not have play turn into work, where you're doing so much of the thing that you love that you're only doing, and now it turns into work. That's not ideal either. So it's a nice balance, right? So this is a very meta Thursday Thunder. I am indoors, and it's really about the meta play. What in your life, what in your work is the fun stuff, and how can you do more of that? Like even now, I just talked last week with somebody about Amazon advertising, because yep, I can do it. Yep, it's math. It's a lot of spreadsheets and stuff. And yes, I have the ability to do it, but am I going to be great at it? No, probably not. Unless I really go for it. And it's just not fun. It's not play. And of course I get it that not everything is play. I totally get it. I'm there. But of the things that are play, of the things that are playful, of the things in our day that are fun, what can we focus on that, and then turn into what others see as work? Because there is that social stigma of, you just play all day, you just walk in the woods and record videos. And I get that too. And so what elements are there that we can then turn into, even for our own sort of conscience, turn into work, or turn into what the rest of the world sees as work, yet secretly we're having fun. This Thursday Thunder, it's fun for me. I like it, and I've gotten such good feedback, and I know you like it. So thanks for being here. This is my play. Send me a comment, send me an email. What's your play? How can you incorporate it more into your life? What do you do? If you don't know what it is, also, I didn't know for a while. I'm like, what's fun for me? What am I doing that's fun? And you got to find it. And sometimes you got to force it. I'm total workaholic. I'll just work all the time. So what's fun? What's play? What does it mean to you? And how do you make it happen? How do you get it done? Okay, I'm going to drop that video. I'll drop the full video in here that I just did, my little poem in very Tom Foolery fashion. And then I will embed the Tom Foolery video as well. And if you're not getting these, it's at tt.repossible.com. You'll sign up to get all this stuff. Anyway, this is Thursday Thunder. I'm Bradley Charbonneau. Thanks for being here this week. This is the play week. Thanks for being here. Go play, and I'll see you next week. We work so hard. We take so long to get into flow. Head down, brow furrowed. Yet sometimes we just need to let go. We teach our kids, now don't do this, and never do that, little boy. Yet their instincts only guide them to do what brings joy. Now, kids don't have mortgages, taxes, and all that is required. Of course, we'll tend to all of that, but it makes us so tired. There's a secret force inside us that gives us great power. It doesn't cost money or intelligence, and surely takes less than an hour. Each one of us has access to this potent gift every day. It's underrated. It's charming. And all we have to do is play.
This is me on the court. This is me just playing. This is fun.